Hi, and welcome to your quick sentence builder video lesson. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is get. Here's a picture of someone getting a Coke. Here is get in many languages. Pause the video and find yours. Get means to have or hold something, or to receive something. Get. Past progressive was getting, past got, present progressive getting, present get, future will get. Let's build a sentence. She is getting. Today, we will use the present progressive tense. Let's build a sentence. She is getting, what? What is she getting? She is getting a cone. Okay, a cone. Let's build a sentence. She is getting a cone. Wait. Which cone? She's getting an ice cream cone. Oh, now that makes sense. Which cone? Let's build a sentence. She is getting an ice cream cone. Where? Where is she getting the cone? From the pantry. Ah, okay. Or like a closet, food place, food closet. Let's build a sentence. She is getting an ice cream cone from the pantry. Why? Why is she getting a cone? To make dessert. Ah, okay. Ice cream dessert. Yay. Let's build a sentence. She is getting an ice cream cone from the pantry to make dessert. Why? Why is she making dessert? She's making dessert for her son. Oh, that's awesome. See how we built a sentence. This is why I want you all to think about the question words. Who, what, where, when, why, how, and which. These questions make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you enjoyed this quick sentence builder video lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. Keep up the good work.